this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the About Me section on your PlayStation 4 profile. So if I'm on the home screen here and I go to my profile, you can see the section where I have text typed in. About me, subscribe to Your 6 Studios on YouTube, etc. So you can change that and add anything you want. Now to actually edit it, go to the three little dots on your profile right here and select it, and then go to Edit Profile. Then it's going to bring you to the Profile Settings page, and it may say please wait for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then we want to go down to where it says the About Me section. Change your personalized description. So let's select this, and then we can add in a new message. So if you have a keyboard, that might be a little bit easier. So let's go ahead and just erase some of this and put Your 6 Tech under here, and then press R2 and done, and then go to confirm, and it will update it. So let's go back now and just see if it changed over, and it now says Your 6 Tech and says Your 6 Studios. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.